Once in a great while, a technology comes along that is so groundbreaking, so revolutionary.
Isn't that just your Build-It box?
With one crucial improvement.
Whoa, that's Ms. Tomatopotamus, the game that shattered gender archetypes by putting a little red bow on the pre-existing design. What's she doing on your screen?
With this upgrade to the Build-It box, I'm able to materialize three-dimensional manifestations of characters from video games.
There is a certain princess in a castle I'd like to meet.
You're cute, you know, for a pudgy little crime against nature. Smaller than I expected, though.
That's because I set a file-size throttle on the machine.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here. I got it. Come on, over here.
Oh, the gang got a little pet hippo this week. What a fun adventure. That has nothing to do with me. Time to change this narrative.
If Eggman thinks this narrative is about him, he's got another thing coming. Retro, Beta, are you thinking what I am thinking?
Yeah, square pixels make us look fat.
No! That Fox's invention is our chance to finally escape this virtual prison and infect the real world.
I got
Guess all she needed was a little love.
I was voted Sensitive Soul of the Month by Hulking Brute magazine.
Sonic, Eggman's attacking the village.
Who wants to see a battle when they could watch a small animal peacefully sleep on someone's lap?
Sorry, Nux. Can't leave the village hanging, no matter how cute Miss Tomatopotamus is.
Launch the procedure. Now, time to conquer the world! Wait, what the? No!
You're a lot shorter than I expected, boss.
You ever notice how people you meet online always look different IRL?
That Fox must have put a sizing throttle on his machine. If we reach that laptop, we can disable it and scale us up to normal.
All the way over there?
It's just a few feet. How long could it possibly take?
What's the use of spying on Sonic if I can't get something out of it? Aside from the feeling of being part of his life and filling my emotional void.
We're here for you, boss.
Don't rub it in.
All right, with that little distraction out of the way, we can get back to what I can only assume is our main obstacle this week, that adorable little hippo thing.
Oh, no. He's got a guard kitten. It's more ferocious than any foe we've ever encountered.
Follow my lead, you digitized dimwits! All right, enough yutzing around. Give me a boost.
All right, come on. I'm almost there. Gotta do this. All right, now your turn. Get off my face. Ow, that's my ear, boss.
Is this a workshop or a petting zoo? Now you will do my bidding! Okay, I think I've got it figured out!
Hey, we look different. Have I been working out?
Hey, only paying customers are allowed to destroy those plates.
Little help.
Something must have malfunctioned with my Build-It box. We better get back to my workshop. Something fishy's going on.
All right, I confess. I hid a dozen sea bass under your floorboards. I was wondering when you'd notice.
Well, that explains the animal problem. Go on, get! But what I meant was my laptop and Build-It box are missing. Better check my security cam.
You mean you've been spying on us the whole time? What about my right to privacy? Much better.
Ew! Oh, whatever.
Who are those guys?
Usually when a bunch of weirdos show up in town, there's one guy behind it.
Old monkey.
No, Eggman. Tails, Knuckles, you pay the good doctor a visit. Sticks, Amy, and I are gonna track down those Build-It box thieves.
I'll start by destroying the village, and then the cities, and then I'll eradicate the rest of this balanced insanity. And all with a little help from...
Your best friends?
No, you 8-bit imbecile! I was talking about that two-tailed furbag's Build-It box!
Yeah, that's what I meant too.
Not so fast, Hornhead.
Who dares oppose Nominatus, viral sensation and destructor of worlds?
Viral sensation? You mean like that cute sneezing panda?
Or all those weird pictures of me?
Or, I don't know, what do they have on the internet? Some kind of dancing hamster with a pizza head?
Enough! You non-digital life forms are powerless against me!
Thankfully, we've got some digital help.
Behold, my cutter pixels!
You'll never get away with this! Oh, Caterpixels. That's actually pretty clever.
What? I like wearing comfortable clothes when I'm working.
Can't be unseen. Spill it, Egg Breath. Why did you send those goons to burgle my workshop?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Don't play dumb with us.
Yeah, that's my job. Show him the footage, T-Dog.
That's the no-good cyber clown who betrayed me and took over my lair last year. We gotta stop him. But first, let me put on some pants.
Pants are overrated.
Ow! Digital minions are tough to destroy. Hey, anyone out there know a good cheat code?
What should I materialize next?
If we don't stop him soon, he'll have an army of formerly digital minions under his control.
There's only room for one supervillain in this town, Nominatus.
I couldn't agree more, Eggman. As soon as I press this button, I'll unleash a flurry of more digital minions, the likes of which you've never... Ah, crud.
Little advice. Save your victorious boasts for after the execution of your evil scheme. Trust me, I learned that lesson the hard way.
I ain't going back behind no firewalls. Let's blow this joint.
No! I've been throttled! You can impose data caps on me, but where do they end? It's a slippery slope.
Looks like you're coming home with me.
And you're coming home with me.
But Knuckles, you don't have a home.
Well, yours smells like rotting fish, so there.
I'll be back, and my vengeance shall be swift and terrible!
Feed?